hi guys, nandito kami sa Oh Hi There Matcha para itry ang kanyang matcha. So, tatanungin natin siya kung anong masasabi niya.
Wala pa nga yung order, masasabi.
Oh pala, wala pa pala yung order namin. Lalo muna to. Ito muna itatry ko. Itatry ko naman yung pistachio. Yung matcha latte nila. 10/10. Promise, masarap. Sarap. Hello. Sana meron sila sa Grab. Ang sarap. This one guys, yung pistachio matcha. 10/10. Ikaw?
10.
10/10. Ito. Pero kung matcha lang siya, 10/10 dito. Masarap, magugustuhan to ng friend ko. Matcha latte ito guys. And for the price pala guys, sulit siya. I think 210 to per isa kasi 420 binayaran ko eh. Grabe, parang 1,000/10. Sarap. And yung pistachio nila, super sarap din. Oh my God.
Lean back in a leather clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing, not in a bad thought.
So, ito, makikita nyo sa isang side nila, may mga nakalagay dyan na pictures kasi self-portrait studio na din siya. And may mga magagandang stickers na pwede nyong bilhin for only 95 pesos. Matcha Cafe is located here sa may BF Homes. Visit nyo na sila guys. And after nyan, nag-drop lang kami dito sa may drizzled chicken. Actually, dito na rin kami kumain kasi sabi nila masarap daw yung chicken dito. And grabe guys, okay din talaga. Dalawa lang yung in-order namin pero nabusog na kami. So, here's their menu. Pwede nyong screenshot to just in case bibili kayo. May reference na kayo. And then, ang in-order pala namin guys is yung drizzled chicken na may cheesy macaroni, fries, and isang order din ng drizzled chicken. Iniba lang namin yung sauce. So, ayan, habang nag-aantay tayo ng order, ayan, mag-lip tint muna tayo. Tapos guys, yung waiting hour daw. Waiting time. Waiting hour? Waiting time. 1 hour. Sabi niya 1 hour. And ito yung order namin. Tago guys, kasi ayun magasya. Sana masarap to. Diba no? Sana masarap siya. Wala yung kasama ko kasi dito nonchalant. So guys, ito yung A3. Tapos ano to? Ano yan? S1. Parang drizzled chicken din siya. So, red iced tea. Matagal mo. For more than 1 hour yun, no? Ha? Hag na. May macaroni ito ba?
Okay, ito.
Tapos may price. maanghang. Sarap. Yung sugar. Ay, yung sarap.
Original sauce.
Tapos yung sauce. Yung sauce natin na milky spicy.
Flavor ang mo.
Flavor yung mint spicy yung flavor. Tapos yung sauce original. Tapos itong isa. Snow cheese. Sarap. Rice.
Itong matamis. Hindi na lang makapagpamilya.
Hindi na, bukas na lang. Parang masarap to. Masarap.
Sirens came in the cul-de-sac. Leaned back in a leather-clad seat. Pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me. And she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. I'll never know, I'll never know. We were nothing alike and I kinda like that. Came from different sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just a